So good to see day by day gold achieving my targets, and that too I have shown those targets long time back from 1740. Today it has achieved 1910 levels, and I have mentioned several times 1900 to 1920, 1910 and 1920 are very good resistance levels for gold. Likewise, oil has also achieved 79.5. This we discussed in the morning analysis. Now, what to expect with the US session? We will see with the help of charts and indicators. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. Do press the bell icon. Stay tuned with the weekly analysis and daily analysis. In fact, I update twice a day for these two commodities in my videos. So do watch those also. Press the bell icon. Let's start. First, we'll look into gold, followed with crude oil, WTI. Do watch till the end, listen to it carefully, note down the levels and trade as per the levels. Now see, on the hourly charts, gold has achieved 1910 and once again it has come back to the same levels 1894. I told you in the morning 1894 it is a very good support. It tried to breach one because below this 1890 levels is the next support levels, and if it breaches below 1890, that is the level below which you can expect it to trade bearish and expect it to drop more. Now look at the hourly chart. The candle size is diminishing, indicating that 1894 giving is a very good support. Possibility exists that it can retrace a bit, but we'll see further. Directional movement is moderately bearish. Stochastic has seen a good drop. The MACD has taken a crossover and this is a bearish cross. Probably from here we can expect little more bearish candles. But see, if it converges from here, again there is possibility of bullishness. We have to be careful here because till 1890 we have to be little bit watchful and observant. RSI is trading flat. It has seen a little drop. Look at the 2-hour chart. See, it breached 1900, achieved 1910 and again has come back to the same zone, and this zone is important, 1894 to 1902, and below 1894 in fact you can expect 1891, 90 levels. Very good support there. Below that it is going to drop till towards 1885. This is the next milestone for gold if it trades below 1890. Directional movement is still bullish. It is trying to converge. Stochastic has seen a good drop. The MACD is trying to converge, crossover and start the sell position there. RSI is looking downwards. Likewise on the 3-hour charts. On the 3-hour charts, this bullish candle, it has, these two candles has completed the, or you can say this complete rise has been, you can covered with these two candles, and see precisely at the same levels it has got the support at 1894, because below this 1890, 1885 and 1880 levels to be expected. Anyways, it has achieved the 1910 levels, our next resistance zone. Directional movement here is bullish, trying to converge. Stochastic has seen a good drop there and MACD is trying to converge again on the 3-hour charts. And if you look at the 4-hour charts, now most important on the 4 is look at these two candles. First, it has achieved the highs. Next, see these three candles getting resistance at the same levels, 1902. So again, if you see it trading above 1902, you can buy for 1905, 06 levels, and here probably it may get a little resistance, and beyond that again it may fly. That is first part to it. Next, any sell entry is below 1894, below which you can expect it to drop till towards 1891, 90. Very strong support, and below that 1885, 80 levels. Directional movement, bullish, trying to converge. Stochastic has seen a good drop. MACD trying to converge here, it is in green. RSI is also overbought. Now look at the daily charts. On the daily charts, what it is trying to do is, you can see this, one smaller bullish candle, then a doji candle, then a bullish candle, then again it is trying to create a doji. Yes, it has achieved the highs such that the Bollinger Bands can expand further. Now you can see 1898 to 1910, almost $12. And on the downside, if it trades below 1894, you can again expect 1890, 91 and then 1886 level, and possibly it can bounce back again to these levels at 1898, and hence it may try to close the day around these levels with a doji itself. That is probably my expectation if it tries to bounce back, and hence below 1894, yes, you can sell if it sustains it for 10-15 minutes. Then you can expect it to drop for 1991, the first support levels, and then 85-86 levels, the next support levels, and close the day around this. So yes, if it In fact, if it achieves 1885.86, it can bounce back again, and hence you need to remain cautious. Directional movement is extremely divergent and bullish. Stochastic is overbought. It is looking downwards. The MACD is still divergent and it is still in green. RSI is also overbought. Considering this, you can sell at 1894. Expect it to drop for 1890.91, the first support, and then 1885.86, the next support zone. Take your trades accordingly. That is the sell position. Buy above 1902. You can buy above 1902. Expect 1906 and 1910 levels. The 1910 levels definitely a good resistance, and beyond that it can fly further for 1920 levels. So be careful there. It can give you similar size of candle. Once it trades above 1910, further bullishness can be expected. Trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Let's have a look at crude oil WTI. And yes, if you want to learn this art of trading profitably, you should join my mentorship batch. The A19th mentorship batch is going to start in first week of February. Reach out to me for more details on same. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Reach out to me for more details. Now let's have a look at crude oil here. In the morning analysis, we talked about buying at 78.5 levels, expect 79.2, 79.5, in fact $80 levels, and precisely see it has achieved 79.5 levels and retraced since then. Also remember, now 78.4 and 78 levels are going to be a very strong support level here. So you should be cautious of this. Directional movement is bullish, trying to converge. Stochastic has seen a good drop. The MACD has taken a bearish cross again. RSI is also looking downwards here. If you look at the 2-hour charts, on the 2-hour charts, see, first of all, very good support at 78.4 levels, only below which you can expect little more drop, which might take it till towards 78. Remember, 78 is also a very good support. Once it drops below 78, you can expect further drop. So you should be careful here. You can sell at 78.4, but then expect a very good drop till good support till 78 levels. At the same time, look at these two candles, lower highs, lower lows. So again, if you see it trading above 79.2, rather I will say buy only above 79.5 levels. That should be a good level for you to enter and expect 80, 80.5, 80.4, 81.2 levels. That is the expectation there. Directional movement bullish, trying to converge. Stochastic at highs, looking forward to a drop. The MACD is trading bearish with divergence. RSI is looking downwards too. And if you look at the 3-hour charts, on the 3-hour charts too, see there is a support, two green candles, and now this retracement. Now see how beautifully it is positioned, lower highs, lower lows. So possibly it may try to confine its movement within this zone itself. Directional movement bullish and trying to converge. Stochastic is rising again. The MACD is in green and it is looking forward to converge crossover for a sell entry. RSI looking downwards. And if you look at 4-hour charts, on the 4-hour chart, see, we talked about this retracement, and once it breaks past this, you can buy. See, precisely that has happened. Now it is trying to retrace again. This is the first red candle, and see this, it is still trying to confine its movement between the previous candle, and hence only sell entry is below 78.4, below which you can expect 78, 77.5, and then below that a further drop can be expected. And if you look at the directional movement, this is and it is trying to converge. Stochastic flat, MACD is in green, trying to converge. RSI looking forward to a drop there. Now look at the daily charts. On the daily charts, first thing is, see the candle here and the previous candle, very small candle. Now it has achieved higher highs. It is trying to form a formation that when it starts on Monday, it will start with a drop trading below 78. For the day, I don't think so that it will break below 78, but yes, if it does, probably we should remain cautious. Yes, you can sell at 78.4, expect 78 levels as the first target, 77.5 as the next target. I don't think so that it is going to break. Possibly it is looking forward to such formation that the next week when it starts with a red candle. Directional movement moderately bullish. Stochastic overbought. MACD has taken a crossover. This is divergent and bullish. RSI trading flat. Considering this, yes, I will recommend you to sell only at 78.4 levels, and below which you can expect 78 as a very good support, and below 78, 77.5 is the target. On the upside, Buy at 79.5 levels, beyond which you can expect 80.4, 81 and 81.5 levels. Take your trades accordingly. Trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals group. Reach out to me for more details. My telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.